Hi everyone! Welcome back to Planadong Buhay. Lahat ng nag-i-invest, iisa lang ang intention, palaguin ang kanilang pera. And as much as possible, huwag matalo. Kaya naman, today we're diving into a topic that every investor needs to know, diversification. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? Oh, by the way, alam niyo po ba na ang unang nagsabi niyan ay ang lolo ko na si Miguel de Cervantes, ang author ng Don Quixote, at ang sabi niya, it is the part of a wise man to keep himself today for tomorrow and not venture all his eggs in one basket. Well, kidding aside, in the world of investing, that's not just a catchy phrase. It's a strategy that could save your financial future. So, let's get into it. Una, so ano nga bang diversification? Simply put, ito yung practice ng pag-spread ng investments mo across different assets para bumaba ang risk. Think of it as a way to balance your portfolio. If one investment isn't doing so well, others might be performing better. So, you're not losing everything at once. Parang pag pumunta ka sa isang buffet, ayaw mo naman siguro na puro isang ulam lang ang nasa plato mo. Diba? Gusto mong tikman ng iba't ibang putahe para hindi nakakasawa. At sigurado kang busog ka, kahit hindi masarap yung isang ulam, maaaring makabawi ka sa iba. Ganon din sa investments. Diversification helps keep things balanced. Now, let's talk about how diversification actually works in practice. There are three different types of assets you can invest in: stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, even commodities like gold or oil. By spreading your investments across these different types of assets, nababawasan neto ang overall risk ng portfolio mo. For example, kung bumagsak man ang stock market, posibleng stable pa rin ang bonds or real estate investments mo. This way, hindi mo inilalagay lahat ng financial hopes mo sa iisang market lang. Bakit nga ba mahalaga ang diversification? Well, walang makakapagsabi kung ano ang mangyayari sa future at unpredictable ang mga markets. Kahit ang mga top companies, pwede pa rin magkaproblema. Diversification helps protect you from these uncertainties. Para itong isang insurance policy para sa mga investments mo. But it's not just about reducing risk. Diversification can also provide more opportunities for growth. Sa pag-i-invest sa iba't ibang markets at asset types, you might find some investments that outperform others, giving your portfolio a nice boost. Okay, so paano nga ba mag-diversify? Heto ang ilang tips. Una, spread your investments. Mag-invest sa mix ng stocks, bonds, at iba pang asset. Ito ang foundation ng diversification. Pangalawa, think globally. Huwag lang mag-focus sa local market. Consider international investments para ma-diversify ang portfolio mo. Pangatlo, diversify within asset classes. Kahit sa loob ng stocks or bonds, pwede ka pa rin mag-diversify sa pamamagitan ng pag-i-invest sa iba't ibang sectors or industries. Halimbawa, huwag puro tech stocks. Subukan mo rin ang real estate stocks, energy or consumer goods. Pang-apat, regularly rebalance. Kailangan ng maintenance ng portfolio mo. Over time, may mga investments na mas mabilis ang growth kaysa sa iba. At dahil dito, baka ma-disrupt ang asset allocation mo. Regularly check in and rebalance your portfolio para manatiling on track ang diversification strategy mo. So, meaning, ang pag-i-invest sa index fund ay hindi nangangahulugan na diversified ang investment mo. I have nothing against with it. Pero we're discussing the power of diversification here. At kahit na pinag-uusapan natin ang diversification ay nakabase pa rin ito sa kung ano ang risk profile mo. May mga investment na well-diversified, pero malaki ang portion neto ay equities kung ang investor ay aggressive. May mga portfolio naman na malaking bahagi ay nasa fixed income or bonds kahit na diversified ito kung ang investor ay conservative. Now, let me give you a sample. Ito ang fund na usually nire-recommend ko sa mga clients ko, the Global Elite Adventurous Fund. Makikita mo dito na may portion siya sa equities, fixed income, cash, derivatives, pero depende sa kung gaano ka-positive ang outlook ng fund manager sa stocks, ang percentage niya sa equities. Pero makikita mo na hindi lang ito concentrated sa iisang region. Malaking bahagi naka-invest sa US pero also in Europe, Asia, Oceania, and even small part in Africa. Maging sa mga industries, hindi lang siya concentrated sa technology, but as well as in financials, consumer, healthcare, and other industries. But the good thing is, when it comes to bond, well diversified din siya. Pero makikita mo na nasa AAA lang siya or BBB. Again, ang investment na ito ay maaaring hindi nababagay sa'yo. Sample lang po ito. Mas magandang makausap ka namin para sa personalized risk profiling. Now, hindi ibig sabihin na foolproof ang diversification. May mga common mistakes na nagagawa ang mga investors. Isang malaking pagkakamali ay ang over-diversification. Yes, tama ang narinig mo. Too much of a good thing can be bad. Kung masyadong marami ang investment mo, baka maging complex at mahirap na itong i-manage. Plus, pwede ring ma-dilute ang returns mo. Isa pang pagkakamali, hindi sapat ang diversification. Some investors think they're diversified kasi marami silang stocks. Pero kung lahat naman yan ay nasa iisang industriya, delikado pa rin sila kung bumagsak ang sector na ito. Ang well-diversified na investment ay composed ng negatively correlated na mga holdings, meaning your investment are moving opposite with each other. Ang positive correlation ay iisa ang direction ng investment mo, meaning kung bagsak ang isa, bagsak ang halos lahat. Balance is the key. So, to wrap it up, diversification is all about balance and protection. It's about giving yourself the best chance at long-term success while managing the risks that come with investing. Tandaan, ang goal natin ay hindi lang kumita ng pera. It's to protect and grow your wealth over time. Kaya whether seasoned investor ka na o nagsisimula pa lang, make sure na iniisip mo ang diversification sa strategy mo. Trust me, pasasalamatan mo ang future self mo. Kung natulungan kayo ng video na ito, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell para hindi nyo ma-miss ang future episodes. And kung may question kayo about diversification or investing in general, i-comment lang sa ibaba. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Tandaan, maunlad ang pamumuhay sa planadong buhay.